Today my video is all about spoon need these kind of equipments, basically a measuring cup, something like that, which showcases you half cup or 60 ml, right around 80 ml, or 125 ml and 250 ml, basically one cup. Right, see that it's a very good equipment or spoon. You can say measuring spoon or measuring cups for your. And this is a measuring spoon. Measuring spoon is basically for measuring your ingredients and your dry ingredients and your liquid ingredients. Because I can guide you very cheap spoon around $2 from our company in Northport, so very cheap spoons. And previous videos you have seen drawing spoon, right? Same drawing spoon. It's a spoon, but it's a drawing spoon. There are lots of things which you can use for drawing as a drawing spoon. Who is looking for a good plating material, so it's a good drawing spoon. And a saucer spoon for the sauces, right? That's covered. And basically, it's a good spoon to have in your kitchen area for the sauces, for the gravies. It's easy to use and easy to clean. It's not expensive spoon. You can buy it around $4, $5 from online shopping, or you can go to any chef shop or any kitchen shop. You can ask that you need a saucer spoon, so they're going to give you the spoon. Basically, you need four or five kind of spoons also. One is for your day-to-day work, like a chef spoon or a small spoon. Or for other things, in kitchen you need few kind of spoons, and basically you need two kind of spoons for your grill, right? For spoon, right? A saucer spoon, right? See this? It's a good soup spoon, or basically if you're a home cook, you need this kind of Lego soup spoon, or whatever you want to call it. It's a good spoon for day-to-day soups, stocks, sauces, and good pouring soup also. Way of using my own spoons, drawing spoons, saucer spoons, some kind of spoons for day-to-day work, for extra works in kitchen. Soup stock spoon, your measuring spoon and measuring cup. So small guy or a home cook, you need this kind of spoons and serving spoon and measuring cup and measuring spoon, and these three kind of spoons also. Special spoon, you can say that. A drawing spoon and saucer spoon. For me, it's a teaspoon. I always carry my teaspoon with me. Taste. That's what I learned in 11 years. Whatever you're doing, you need to taste it before you are sending to the customer, your family members, or your friend, your wife, your girlfriend, whoever you're cooking for. You need to taste your food before you're sending it out. So that's my. So keep watching, and thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, and please hit the like button, and please write a comment.